Recently, at e-bike reviews and adventures, no! Oh, well, that just happened. Meet Stanley. I don't know if that's his real name, but that's what we're going to call him for this video. Stanley was coming down the street, and I just happened to look up at my security cameras on my television screen at the right time and witness this unfold. There he sat in the grass in my neighbor's lawn. Stanley's out there trying to make a recovery. He's taking a few moments to get up. A neighbor down the street witnessed the accident and calls out to him and says, "Hey, buddy, are you okay?" And Stanley turns to him and gives him the thumbs up and says, "Yeah." About the same time, I come out of the house and I wanted to check on Stanley too. Poor Stanley. He wasn't doing too well. Now, obviously, he was a little shaken up, and so he took a little time to get going again. While we were there conversing, he told me, I just taught myself how to ride a bike 2 weeks ago, and so I'm pretty new at this. So I gave him some words of encouragement, and then I asked him, "Hey, Stanley, what exactly happened?" He said, "Well, I was coming down the street, and I was listening to a song on my phone, and he said, and that particular song had some bad words in it. And I looked up, and I saw the kids playing out in front of the house up the street, and I reached down to turn off my phone because I didn't want them to hear the song that I was listening to." He said, and that's when I crashed. At that moment, my heart sank. Here is this young man who just taught himself how to ride a bike 2 weeks ago, trying to do the right thing by turning down the song on his phone so the children down the street wouldn't listen to any bad music, and this happens to him. Now, we continued talking for a few moments, and I just wanted to make sure he was okay, and he was. He just had his pride hurt a little bit. So we, exchanged our farewells, and I wished him well, and left him with a parting word of encouragement. And Stanley, wherever you are, if you watch this video, I do truly hope you're doing well. You're a fine young man.